In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export site from Mobirise and upload via FTP in Windows. We'll walk through exporting your site from Mobirise as a zip file and then uploading its contents to your web hosting using an FTP client like FileZilla. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along easily on Windows. Start by logging into Mobirise and opening the project you want to publish. Take a moment to finalize your edits. This is a great time to do a quick pass on your pages. Check that your navigation links work, that your images load correctly, and that your contact or action buttons point to the right places. If Mobirise offers a preview, use it to catch anything that looks off before you publish. When you're ready, look at the upper right corner of Mobirise and click Publish. In the Publish options, choose Download Zip. This tells Mobirise to package your entire website, HTML, images, styles, and scripts into one compressed file. Pick a location on your computer that's easy to find, like the desktop or downloads folder, and confirm the export. Depending on your project size, this may take a moment. It can help to name the zip with a version or date so you can keep track of updates later. Once the zip is downloaded, open File Explorer, locate the file, and extract it. On Windows, you can right-click and choose Extract All to create a regular folder with your website files inside. You'll be uploading the contents of this extracted folder, not the zip itself. Now open your FTP client. I'll use FileZilla as an example, but any reliable FTP tool works. Connect to your hosting account using the FTP or SFTP details provided by your host, the server address, username, password, and port. If you're unsure which protocol to use, SFTP is often preferred for added security, but follow your host's instructions. In FileZilla, the left side shows your computer and the right side shows your server. On the left, navigate to the extracted Mobirise folder. On the right, open your web root directory. This is commonly named public HTML, www, or HTTP docs. If you're not sure which folder serves your site, check your host's documentation. Select all files and folders inside the extracted site folder and drag them to the web root on the server. Wait for the transfer to complete and confirm there are no failed transfers. If prompted to overwrite older files during updates, choose Overwrite. That's it, your Mobirise site is now uploaded via FTP on Windows and ready to serve from your hosting environment.